This is the portrait of a city that began as El Pueblo de San Jose a century and a half ago. But from that humble beginning, the city grew. Nurtured by man's vision and man's enterprise, it was inevitable that nature's generosity would be used wisely and well. Today, the city of San Jose is a splendid monument to a century and a half of American progress.
Sunny day, dreaming far away, dreaming on my pillow in the morning. Never been away, hey, never seen a day break, leaning on my pillow in the morning light. Whoa, ho, ho, it's magic, you know. Sunny day, dreaming far away, dreaming on my pillow in the morning. Never been away, hey, never seen a day break, leaning on my pillow in